Hi guys, welcome to our review channel. In this video, we're going to check out some best products on the market. We've made this list based on our personal opinion and hours of research, and we tried to list them based on their price, quality, durability, and more. For more information and updated pricing, please check out the description below.
Astro AI Mini Fridge, 5 colors for choice, 4-liter/6 can AC, DC portable thermoelectric cooler and warmer for skin care, foods, medications, home and travel, pink, cool to warm, cool up to 32 degrees Fahrenheit 18 degrees Celsius below ambient temperature, or keep warm up to 150 degrees Fahrenheit 66 degrees Celsius 86 degree F. 30 degrees Celsius, minus 64 degrees Fahrenheit 18 degrees Celsius within an hour, 86 degrees Fahrenheit 30 degrees Celsius minus 50 degrees Fahrenheit 10 degrees Celsius within 2. Mini Fridge 6-liter AC, DC portable beauty fridge thermoelectric cooler and warmer for skin care, bedroom and travel, mirror and LED design, 6 liters beauty fridge, 6L capacity that measures 26x 19x 28 cm and weighs 5 pounds. The removable shelf makes small items like skin care, cosmetic easy to separate, best gift for women and girls. AC, DC adapters, 2 plugs are included for both standard wall outlets. Danby DR 259BL 2.5 CU foot designer compact all refrigerator, black, Energy Star 2.5 CU foot capacity all refrigerator. Mechanical thermostat and automatic defrost. 2 full shelves and 1/2 shelf for maximum storage versatility, tall bottle storage and canister beverage dispensing system. Reversible door hinge for right or left hand opening and integrated door handle. Scratch resistant. Black Plus Decker BCRK 17B Compact Refrigerator Energy Star Single Door Mini Fridge with Freezer, 1.7 cubic feet, large capacity. The removable glass shelf expands the storage space and makes the fridge easy to clean. Additional door storage fits 2 cans, like soda and beer, or small containers on the top shelf, and liter or taller bottles and containers, like water, wine and milk. Crownful Mini Fridge, 4-liter/6 can portable cooler and warmer personal fridge for skin care, cosmetics, food, great for bedroom, office, car, dorm, ETL listed, multifunctional mini fridge, a great small appliance to store food, drinks, beer, snacks, breast milk, cosmetics and skincare. This also works as a personal skin care fridge, which makes it an ideal gift for women.